Okay. So I'm thinking like everyone have some knowledge of Salesforce, right? Anybody here who have known like nothing has knowledge about the Salesforce? What is Salesforce like that?
Yeah, uh, actually, I'm a MuseCode resource, so I have some basic understanding what Salesforce will do, like where we can find the objects, what we need to open. But apart from that, I don't have any information regarding Salesforce. So if you start from
Okay.
basic, that will be very good.
No, actually, this training is only for the LWC, not for the Salesforce actually. So, Ritik, you pinged me on Slack, right? I told you you have to contact with your manager. So, have
Yes,
you talked
actually,
with your manager?
yeah, I contacted him. He told me that attend that training and move forward with it. Will you will learn it, and they will start from the basic itself, so we'll understand. So move, you can move forward. If like if I don't understand anything, I can bug you, I think, right?
Okay. Okay, but it's okay. Nothing is the problem. Actually, you have to learn a little bit Salesforce before going to this training. But it's okay if you have basic knowledge of about like HTML and JavaScript, then this training will okay for you. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I'm considering you have knowledge of HTML and JavaScript, right?
Yes, little bit.
Okay. So everyone is fresher in this session, yeah, or do you have any experience on it?
Uh,
No, Kunal, I'm not fresher.
Even I'm not a
Okay,
fresher. No.
okay, then experience is also here. Okay, that's cool. So going to the LWC part. So actually, LWC is a very new programming model that Salesforce introduced in I think December 2018. So before that, we are using Lightning component. That is the we can say like it is the same as the um, what I'm saying. It is the same as the Visual Force page, but it's the based on the Lightning, like based on the web component as well. So due to that Lightning, we are getting too much complication. Every time we have using the server side code, and it's going complicated for us, so that's why it's creating LWC. So I'm sharing my screen little bit. So this training session will go for 4 or 5 week. Okay. And this is the agenda for the training. Like in the week one, we are going to introduce all the what is the LWC and Visual Force Aura, and what is the difference, and basic of the JavaScript. All the basic things we are um, going to the discuss on the week one. Apart from this, after this week one, we are going. Then after we will able to go to the code related things on LWC. So, so in LWC, like this is the 2014 wave stack that we are using on the Lightning component. So most of the things like data service, UI component models that we are using in the server side, and in the web side we are only using the events as standard elements like this. But when we are moving forward, like um, when this LWC implemented in Salesforce. So most of the things we are happening in the client side. So client side, server side means the we are in the server side we are contacting with the data and manipulating the data from the server, like from the database. So that is the biggest problem in the Lightning component and previous Visual Force page component. So that's why we this LWC is coming in the Salesforce. So the main benefits, like the basic benefits and main benefits, like it is the very fast, because we are doing all the things in the client side, and this is the lightweight, more secure. It's the due to security reason we are also preferring the LWC, and better security, better testing, and better browser compatibility as well. So the main advantage of LWC is it's like what I'm saying, it's unparalleled performance. Uh, it means unparalleled performance means while we are working on with LWC, you can avoid the server call. And reason behind this is the LWCS controller. Like we are using the JavaScript for the manipulating the data. So the basic web designing is we are using the HTML, JavaScript, CSS part. All these things are we are like this is the basic thing we are, when we are going to learn anything, when we are going to develop anything, we are learning about the HTML. What is the HTML? What is the CSS? What's the style sheet? What is the JavaScript? That is the basic thing we have to learn before going to the creating any site. So this this is the main thing why LLC is more preferable, because it's using dot like HTML dot HTML. I can show you what how type of the files we are generating. Everyone can see my screen, right? So
Yes, Kunal.
okay. So when we are creating any file, then this type of the files like .html, .js, .xml, .css. This types of file is creating. We will discuss more about the later session. But what I'm trying to say, like this is the basic thing adopted by the LWC, and this is the open source. Anyone can give a suggestion, anyone can edit the code, anyone can do anything whatever, something. If you want, if you get the knowledge about the LWC that is new and nobody know about this, then you can also suggest that your code on the LWC, because this is the open source. Nobody is going to charge of this, or nobody is going to claim on this. So that is the very good thing coming in the LWC. So previously, I think PHP is also open source. I think so. So most of the things are the open source in the technology, but in Salesforce only LWC which is going to the open source. Uh, so uh, so in the JavaScript, we can see in the .js. This is the .js file. So we can manipulate the any type of data inside this file. So only we have to obviously we have to, if we want data from the database, so we have to call the apex class, and we get the data. But we don't need to do once we get the data, then that's it. We don't need to go to again and database and again go back to the your. Suppose we are searching, we have any searching option. So suppose we are searching anything. So we are writing Kunal. Kunal, for Kunal, suppose KUNL we are writing. After that, we are going to the database, and when then again come to the what Kunal is fetching, what we have the regarding related to Kunal, and then we show. But that is not required in the LWC. In LWC, we can do we can get the all the list of the data, and we can do the stuff on the client side. So that is the very fast process, because we are not again and again going to the database, and we are not breaking the security level, because that security level is inserted into the LWC part. So, and this LWC, we are using in previously Lightning, we are using ECMAScript 5. but in LWC we are using the latest ECMAScript. We will talk deeply about this ECMAScript in later session. Like we are using ECMAScript 6 and above. So the main motto of LWC, suppose we have what I'm saying, like LWC. So when we are opening any site in the browser, it's having the inspect element. So we can see like most of the things we have in the like in console. Many of the things is running in the console in using the DOM. So main part of the LWC is like it's the browser compatibility. Like we are not getting any compatibility issue because we are adding our code like using the browser server. So if you go to the console and write anything which is working over here, then that will be work in the LWC file as well. So this is the always we are thinking about this is the this should be the browser compatibility. So we can see in 2014 web Slack we have the data service, UI component models, template. In template we are using over here in the server side, but in LWC we can see I'm showing you in LWC we can see like in HTML file we are using the template. Inside the template everything will be we can write. This is the like one of the very basic thing. Like if we are generating any of the lightning component, actually when we are creating new lightning wave component file, then this will come like only the template. This should be not there. This is written by me. Only template file will become. So inside the template, this is the like basic we have to write this everything inside the template. But before that this was in the database like server side, and now it's coming in the client side. So in lightning component, like we are using Aura. I hope everyone know about this. We are using Aura when we are using the lightning component. I'm showing you. Anything is here. Oh, I can't create this. No one is using this thing. So in lightning component, we are using the tag Aura. So that is the biggest problem when we are anybody is doing code in the lightning component, we have to first learn about the aura, because uh, we, we have the different syntax related to the aura. We have to check the every syntax and remember every syntax over how to use uh, the syntax and how to do anything in the lightning component. So we have this component which is same as we can say HTML, like this is the client side file, and this is the controller. We have the two files, controller and helper, that is using for the manipulating the data, like calling the data from the server side and manipulating that data. So this is the biggest problem. I want to tell you, like Aura, we can't remember everything in the like one session or like in the 1 second. So we have to again check with the Google and why we are using this Aura, and if we are going to anything, like if we are want to check anything, then we have to go to check what is the syntax for the particular any work. So that is the that's why. So we are implementing LWC, and that is not required any of the Aura component, any of the Aura syntax inside this Lightning wave component. So this is you can see, like this is the basic div templates, div, and everything is calling in the div, and you can use any tag like p tag, span, like this is the HTML, normal HTML, and we are using in as a lightning web component. So when you are going to the this method, we have one LWC designer as well. So actually, this LWC is only supporting Lightning view, not the classic view. So when we are going to the Lightning view and click on the this LWC designer, we can see all the your LWC files over here, whatever you created in this org, and you can also edit that file over here as well. See, we can also edit the file whatever you have created, and if there is no dependency on your LWC file, then it will be also like you can see also, you can see output over here also, like what your LWC is written, like I'm showing you, like this is, I think this not have any input file. See, so I created one text box inside this LWC file. So it's showing like this. So if the code is showing over here also, so if you want, we can also edit the file over here. So why I'm showing this? Because for LWC, what we are for Lightning component, what we are doing. So we are going to the this developer console. Then we are editing anything, whatever you want in the Lightning component. And if you want to preview this, then you have to create Lightning application. For if you want to preview this, whatever you have doing over here. So if you want to preview this page, your page is working fine or not, or your code is working fine or not, so you have to create Lightning application as well. You can see over here the Lightning application option lightning application. You have to create lightning application, and then after you have to call this lightning component over there, then you can preview over there. So this is this is the biggest problem. We have to create all the things using Aura, and then again if you want to preview, then you again creating the lightning application. So everything is going to the smooth with the LWC. Got it?
Yeah, Kunal, sorry for the disturbance. I have a one doubt here. This LWC designer is a standard component, or you have built it as like a custom thing?
Which this one LWC designer? This is the
Yes, yes.
inbuilt.
Sorry, Kunal.
This is like inbuilt. When your site having, when your device having the LWC designer access, then this will be coming automatically.
Okay.
Yeah.
How to get that access, like LWC designer access for our org?
One second.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me what you are saying.
How can we access this LWC designer to our org?
If you have do you have any Salesforce org?
I have my personal org.
So you go to your lightning view. Then you can search over here LWC designer.
Okay.
Then you can find.
Kunal, we tried, but I'm not able to, even this is Satyendra, I'm not able to find out this LWC design in App Builder.
That is the paid. You are using the paid version.
No, it's the developer org.
Oh, need to check. I never get this. Okay, so just overall look how to look like. We can check over after that. Why you are in your org it's not showing. So it may be some permission issue. It's maybe that. Okay.
Kunal, I have a question. So, can we create a new LWC component from here, or just you said like we can edit, right? So, can we create a new one?
We can create, but it's not the good way to create. I'm telling you, we can do if we have some little change. If you want, then we can do over here, but it's little bit complicated if we are going to do over here. Okay, that's why LWC provide us a Visual Studio Code. I know, and I think some of people know about the .NET, right? So who know about the .NET, that person know about the Visual Studio. So Visual Studio is basically this is the platform where we can do the code. So we can do this in the Eclipse as well. If somebody know about Java, then we can do in Eclipse as well. But LWC part, we have only used the Visual Studio Code. Salesforce code we can do in Eclipse, but Visual Studio is the it's created only for the LWC. It's the not the Visual Studio. It's the Visual Studio. I think something Visual Studio Code. We will deploy this. We have to install this in your Visual Studio Code. This is the Visual Studio, not the Visual Studio. This is the only Visual Studio Code. We have to use this Visual Studio Code if we want to do any create any LWC, because that is the better way. This is a proper structured way. If you are doing over here, that is the not the okay. If you are doing over here, that is a if you are doing some mistakenly, then it will be mess up, right? So if you know what you want to change, like any little bit you want to change, then you can do over here. You can also create the file. See, the plus file is over there. You can also create the LWC, new LWC file over here, and inside this LWC file we can create the another file like .css, any other file if you want on the LWC component, then we can create over here. But that is not the good practice. If you are going to change here, little bit change, that is okay. But suppose in LWC, if you are passing some like input, that like your LWC depend on the input, so it will be not going uh, like we have to pass the input variable and value as well over here. Then after that will be so
Kunal,
you
do we
can
need
use.
any license for that? Because this LWC designer is not visible in the dev org, the practice org.
Actually, I need to check like why you are not getting this LWC designer. I think some permission we have to give some permission over for that. Okay. So we will figure out for that what is the like main purpose of this. I'm telling you. So you can use in the further future. Okay. So and one more best benefit of this LWC, like we can what I'm saying, like we can create a file and we can use anywhere. Like we can create a reusable file. Suppose in Lightning component we cannot like use the reusable file. Uh, Reusable means like if you have some lines of code, like some part of the HTML or like some part of the UI, if you want to show that UI in the each page, like you have the 4 page and sub corner part, like you want to show in each page that some constant things you want to show, so you can create a LWC file and we can use that LWC file in the each page, in each like this is the parent child case like that. So one child is creating and that is used in the every parents. So this is the main also one benefit of the LLC. And one other benefit is like this is the very like I already say, like this is the very easy to do code in the LWC file because it's the only HTML and JavaScript. So, and don't tell me like you guys don't know about the JavaScript. Then after I will tell you the JavaScript always as well. Everybody know JavaScript, right?
Yes, Kunal.
Okay. So this is the part. I'm not going too much deep. I'm thinking like till some personal. How many person is there? 21. 20%. 1 person is there. Okay. So tomorrow we will start at the 10 o'clock. Okay. I have little work as well. So tomorrow we will start at 10 a.m. sharp. Okay. And I will tell you the deep thinking about this LWC as well. Okay. Anybody have till anybody any question?
Yeah, Kunal, whenever you get time, just check this LWC designer.
Yeah, I will look. I will look for that. Who is like telling
Okay.
me? Satyendra, na?
Yes.
Okay. You pinged me over the Slack. Okay, Satyendra.
Sure.
I will contact you within some time. Okay.
Sure. Thank you, Kunal.
Okay, then, guys. We will contact. Like we will connect tomorrow at 10 a.m. Then I will tell you the more story about LWC. And don't be panicked. Like this is not too much hard. We can easily like learn about this. But damn sure you guys also do some stuff. Otherwise, if I'm saying, then nothing is the output. So if I'm saying anything and if you are giving you work anything, then you guys have to do. So I'm not giving work today because it's too late already and I have one meeting as well. So I will tell you the tomorrow and that's it. Okay.
Yeah, Kamal, if you get to know the Lightning Desire access, that would be great if you can ping on Slack.
Yeah, sure. I will tell you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, guys, we will connect tomorrow. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kunal.
Thank you.
Or one more thing, if anybody have any question out,
Yeah, Kunal, go ahead.
okay. If anybody have any question, like go through it, like whatever I am saying today. Anybody have any question, then ping me on the personal Slack or the meeting, or and on the channel as well. I will respond. Okay.
So Kunal, you are creating documents also, like these are the documents which we are going today,
Yeah,
and
I will share you. I will share you all the guys. But when I'm completing, then after I will share you. Okay.
okay, fine. Thank you, Kunal.
Okay. Bye bye.